Hi friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful wall molding designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs. Wall molding offers the several advantages for wall design, enhancing both aesthetic and functionality. So in this video we will going to know what are the advantages of wall molding and the benefits of this design for our interior. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's continue to the video. So friends, there you can see there are the beautiful designs are available with different color shades, different design patterns, but you should also know the some advantages. Like first one is the aesthetic appeal. Wall molding adds elegance and sophistication to any room. It creates a visual framework that can make walls appear more refined and polished, often lending a sense of classical architecture or a contemporary style depending on the design. Second advantages its depth and dimension. Molding adds depth to by creating a layer effect on otherwise flat walls. This can make a room feel more dynamic and visually interesting. Third advantages its customization. Molding can be customized to fit any style or preference, from traditional or geometric patterns, chair railing moldings to modern minimalist designs. This allows the homeowners to personalize the look of their space. Another advantages of concealing imperfections. Molding can hide imperfections such as uneven walls, gaps between wall and ceiling, or joints between the walls, making the room look more finished. Another advantages of wall molding is that it also increases the property value. Homes with detailed wall molding offer appear for upscale, which can increase the property's market value. Also, it highlights the features. Molding can be used to highlight architectural features such as walls, living room walls, bedroom walls, even the ceilings. For instance, you will get different types of wall moldings like POP wall molding, wooden moldings, crown molding. These moldings can enhance the transmission between wall and ceiling, while baseboards offer a neat finish at the bottom of walls. Certain types of molding like POP wall protects can walls from damage, particularly in high traffic areas where furniture or other objects might bump against the walls. Another advantages of versatility. Moldings can be used in any room and adapted to various settings, whether it's a living room, bedroom, even you can use in a kitchen or in a bathrooms. Wall molding can transform a space, make it feel more luxurious, organized, and visually appealing. Wall molding, also known as a trim or molding, is a decorative feature that enhances walls for adding the texture, elegance, and architectural. It is often used in a traditional, classic, or modern interiors to create a polished look. So when molding the walls, especially the installation of decorative moldings like baseboards, crown moldings, you should several key points you should be keep in mind to ensure a professional finish, like accurate measurement the wall precisely and double check before cutting the moldings. Measure twice, cut once is the golden rule. Avoid wastage and mismatch the piece. Proper tools. Use the right tools for cutting, installing, like for cutting, miter saw for angles, installing for nails or adhesives, and finishing, sanding, and painting. So high quality tools ensure clean cuts and smooth installation. Understand the wall angles. Walls are rarely perfectly square. Use a protractor or angle finder to measure the actual angles and adjust your miter cuts accordingly. Pre-paint or stain. So if you're painting or staining the moldings, it's often easier to do so before installation. This helps prevent damage to walls and result in a cleaner finish. Use the caulk for gaps. Small gaps between the molding and wall can be inevitable, especially in older homes with uneven walls. Use caulk to fill these gaps before painting to create a seamless look. So friends, I hope that you will like this video and my designs, and you know what are the advantages of. So friends, if you like our video, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and keep supporting to my channel. Thanks for watching, and thank you once again.